Okay, do you know what board is this? So this is what you called a Raspberry Pi. So a default board, a very small computer board. So it has a USB, a LAN port, a CPU, a memory, and an I/O. So input output pins. So what you can do about this board is it is very powerful. It's like a small PC, and yet you can run an ad blocker. For this ad blocker, it means that it will block ads. If you have seen the website like Yahoo website, you can see a lot of ads. But through this device, I'm using it as a DNS server. So all of my queries that is used from my mobile phone through my access point and then through my gateway, it will pass here. So this is the key item. So I'm using a Pi-hole, that's P-I-H-O-L-E. Install a Pi-hole, then run it as a DHCP or Dynamic Host Control Protocol, which assign your IP address on your LAN, and then all the DNS query will pass through this device, and through this device, it will tell if it will unlock the IP address or it will drop the packets. If ever, if detected that it's an telemetry or ads application, then it will drop the packet. So that ads will be blocked. This is how it works. And also use it as a DHCP server. So my devices at home in my LAN will query to this device, and this one will assign the MAC address, in which a very powerful, it means this also acts as a DNS server and also filters some of the website. So if you are parents which you want to block the Roblox or any applications for the kids, then you can use something like this, a very cheap hardware, instead of using a full-blown laptop or computer. So as simple as Raspberry Pi, then you can install a Pi-hole, then redirect all the DNS query through this board, then you will actually block 90% of the ads and applications that you're going to configure in this. This is the most easy setup or my ad blockers at home. A one piece of a supercomputer chip. Yeah. So that's one of the projects that I'm deploying using a Raspberry Pi. And also I also have a project in which one of the Raspberry Pi I installed a hat or hardware analog in which become my hi-fi music. So this for this one, it's a Pi hole. And aside from that, I also installed as a computer or a radar 24. So I upload the airplane data using a Raspberry Pi that is collected through my antenna system, and then upload it to the Flight Radar 24 to have a subscription. So one of a use case, this is just a piece of the puzzle. A simple yet powerful piece. So this is the I/O, and for the piso Wi-Fi, in which a very famous Wi-Fi Bendo machine, they also crafted a separate OS in which they are playing Adobe Pisosoft for it to run. And this is the hardware of choice because it's stable, it's fast, and it's okay. Yep. And if you want something like this, be sure to comment your experience and you might send. So feel free to contact me. If you want to set up a pie hole at home, then my Elmer Shocks consultancy is available for you. So be sure to have a safer internet at home, protect your kids from the phishing. Okay? So, yeah, pie hole is a must at home if you want to block the ads and the kids' games and you want to control. See you around, guys, and make sure to subscribe.